Alright guys, you're welcome back to FinTech Space. So if it is your first time on this channel, please and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also put on your notification bell so that you can be notified when new videos drop. So very quickly in this, I want to show you, for those that won't be able to wait, you might be in a hurry at the time that HMSTR would be listing its price. So you get that, and also the video might not come in exactly the time that HMSTR is going to be listed. So this is for those that are actually going to be prepared or set to sell their asset immediately HMSTR is listed. Do you get that? So let's get started. I want to make use of EBI exchange because I already made a video on that and people have been requesting that I make a video, but this is more or less like a prior to listing video. Do you get that? So if you're able to get this, that will be good. You'll be good to go to actually sell your token before I make another video when HMSTR has been listed. Do you get that? So now let's go to EBI exchange. I believe you can access it yourself because you've been able to connect yourself. All right, so now what you're going to click on, you're going to click on trade now. So this video is an assumption that HMSTR has been listed. Do you get that? So click on trade now. So once you click on trade now, you're going to click on where you see BTC/USDT here. So that is where you're going to click. So click on that drop down icon, this drop down icon, click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to search HMSTR. So type in HMSTR, HMSTR. You can see it, HMSTR spot/USDT. That is what you are going to select. So we've already connected our wallet to it, so definitely the token might be sent to your wallet. You get that, but you don't have to pay gas fee. That is a bonus point using this exchange. So now you can see it's already showing 0.00, so that means HMSTR has not been listed, and you can see the market will be listed as at 2024 September, 26th of September. So by 1 p.m. So and for Nigerian time that will be 2 p.m. Do you get that? So for Ghana that will be 1 p.m. and for other countries, so but exactly by 1 p.m. so you can calculate your time zone. So if you want to sell right now, you are going to click on sell. So you are going to click on sell just as you have it here. So click on sell. So you can see the market will be open soon. So the market will be open in 22 hours for 3 minutes. So now I'll be making use of another token just to give you the way it's going to be done. Do you get that? So now I'm going to just select any token. So I'm going to select any other token. So let me select BNB/USDT. It's just an analogy, just to illustrate. So now just click on sell. So right now, in this case, you are going to see up here. You are going to see limits. You are going to see limits. You can see markets. You can see stop limits. Do you get that? So, but for the purpose of this video, what you are doing is to sell immediately. Do you get that? So you want to sell immediately at the market price. So now just click on market, tap on the market. So now what you want to do is you want to sell. So now here, if it's on your HMSTR, you are going to see the amount that you are going to be selling over here and the amount that you want to buy over here. So now if you want to know, if you want to select the amount of HMSTR you want to select, so just drag this knob that you can see over here, that knob. So that will be, it will be helping you to pick the amount. So you can see 55%, 65, 70, 100%. So once you select that, once you drag this slider, it will keep showing the amount of HMSTR that you are selling in this place. Do you get that? So once it is showing there, so if you are selling 50%, then just leave it as 50%. So and then you are going to click on sell. Immediately it's going to sell for you. Do you get that? But because I don't have anything here, so definitely it can't sell anything for me. Do you get that? So insufficient available balance. So just in case it's been sent, the HMSTR has been sent to your wallet, then you are going to get to be able to trade it. So this is a prior to listing video. So this is just for people that will be in a haste to actually sell their tokens immediately. All right guys, so I believe I've been able to put you through on how you can quickly sell your HMSTR. So if you don't get this video, kindly wait for the after listing so I can use the video on HMSTR tokens that has been deposited and has also been listed. Do you get that? So until that time, do have a nice time. Bye for now.